Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing with the newest Revlon One-Step-Styler. It's literally a ½ inch smaller than the OG regular One-Step-Styler. The only difference with this, well, two differences. It has a titanium plate and it's smaller, but you still have the same bristles, which are the nylon and boar bristles. So this one I picked up at Costco and I honestly could not find it anywhere else online or in store. And I picked this up for $45.99 and this originally costs $59.99, but it's honestly always on sale. Let's try it out. I'm gonna first start with the newest bad boy right here. And I'm gonna start on the highest. And the thing is, with the original, the highest airflow and the highest heat setting, which they only have 3 settings. They have cool, low, and high. It was ridiculously hot and it got uncomfortable, so I would always use it on the lower setting, but it would take like twice as long just because it's low airflow and low heat. And this one right here, I already turned it on, and most of the airflow is coming out at the very top versus the OG. It kind of comes out at the sides, a little bit more even, but it still kind of is mainly at the top, from the middle to the top, and this one is mostly at the top and not even on the side, so it might not be as consistent or even. Settings are exact same. You have off, cool, low, and high, exact same as the regular or the original. We're gonna start off on high, see if it's also super hot. Still very hot. It's literally burning my ears. And it's definitely pulling out hair, but I'm gonna keep saying this over and over again. I'm still in that postpartum stage where my hair is really falling out, so I can't really, I mean, it did pull out a lot of hair with the original one, but you're gonna pull out your hair regardless since you have the boar bristles. One thing I am gonna mention right away is I think you might be able to get a lot more of a blowout style with this brush just because it is a lot smaller. But yeah, this air, it's blowing mostly at the top, and that's where I'm trying to keep most of the hair. I'm gonna go on low. Look, it's not even blowing air at the bottom at all. At all. The airflow is horrible with this second one. The airflow is so much better with the original one. It just does the job so much faster just because it's a lot more even, it's more spread out, it's not just focused at the very top. I'm liking the bigger brush, honestly, still the original one. I can grab a lot more hair, I can get more volume. All right, I'm gonna finish the hair. I'm gonna use the high setting first, really quickly, kind of get a lot of the a lot of the wetness and moisture out of my hair, and then go in with the lower setting. Look how red my ear is. Oh, the hair does get really hot. Oh.
So much faster.
Also red on this side. Wow, I forgot how hot these are. Ear is burning. Wow, that's hot. I'm literally, I feel like I'm running a marathon. I'm so hot. Y'all, I burned my thumb a little bit. See how red that is? That's how hot the hair gets. What do we think? Honestly, they both look good. They both look very even. I feel like this one has a little bit more volume, like throughout.
I feel like this side actually finished better, even though that side has titanium plates. It's kind of weird.
Wow, I'm literally hot. I feel like I need to go into like a freezer. So now that I'm done on both sides, the original Revlon took a lot less time just because you have a much bigger barrel in width. So it definitely was a lot better because of the airflow. It's a little bit bigger, and it's just overall it did a much better job in my opinion. Even the ends look a lot better. They look very consistent, they look sleek, and they don't look frizzy, versus on this side, the ends look kind of frizzy in my opinion, especially this right here. You can see a big difference. Yeah, I mean, the differences are minute, but the feeling, the look, especially on your own hair, you know how it's supposed to look once it's dry. I think there's a huge difference. All right, so let's talk about the actual product. Wow, my ears are red. Sorry, I'm just gonna keep my ears closed because they're super red from the heat on both sides. So in regards to both products, this one right here, this new one with the titanium plate. Titanium is supposed to be a really good even heat distribution that is a lot faster to heat up and is gonna stay heated a lot longer than something like this. I believe this is just, what was it that they said this was?
Some kind of ceramic
some kind of ceramic blend. So we're not exactly sure what it is, but because the airflow is so, how do I put this in a nice way? It's just stuck right here at the very top. You can even see it in the video when I was brushing it. There was no air coming out at the very bottom or even at the middle. It was all stuck right here at the very top. So it takes like twice as long to dry the hair because it's so uneven. And then I'm trying to find the positives. They did nothing to improve this product. I understand they made it smaller. You can get more of like a blowout effect if you have longer hair, but is this better than the original? Is it better for shorter or longer hair? No, I think you can get just as beautiful results for shorter hair. I even tried this when my hair was like this short, and you can get a beautiful blowout look. It's the same handle. It's not, I mean, it feels a little bit lighter, but not even. You can't even notice the difference. It's the same exact temperature and airflow settings. It's still super hot, so please be careful. And it still pulls out your hair. So there are no really changes that are beneficial or more beneficial to your hair. And the price, and then where you can only get this, you can only find this at Costco. And yeah, I'm just kind of disappointed, you know? The original is just, it's good. All right, for who would like this, I think if you watch my original video, so many of you love this. It's good for curly hair, it's good for coarse hair, it's good for thick hair, thin hair, fine hair, straight hair. It's good for a lot of people. But the thing is, a lot of people don't like about this is it really pulls on your hair and you can really pull out your hair. And another thing, it's super hot. I mean, it gets really hot. Like the ears are still red on both sides. Like that's kind of ridiculous. So please be careful. You can definitely hurt yourself like I did right here on my thumb. It's definitely not for everybody, but I can see why so many people love this tool and why I loved it when I first tried it out. I'm trying to stay away from these types of hair tool products right now at the moment because I want to minimize the pulling on my hair just because I'm really prone to my hair falling out and pulling out. So yeah, you guys, I really thought this was going to be a super great tool, but it has a lot of flaws still, a lot of flaws. Please let me know if you have tried this tool right here and if it worked better for you or if it was the same, kind of like a meh feeling afterwards. But for now, you guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me and my Revlon hair products, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.